Charging at home provides the most convenient ownership experience, adding the range you need for your daily routine. Volkswagen's optional 2-in-1 mobile EV charge cable, available through your dealership's parts department, gives you the flexibility to charge from either a standard 120-volt household outlet or a 240-volt outlet, the type often installed for larger appliances. With a 120-volt adapter installed and the cable plugged into a standard outlet, your 2024 ID4 can charge at a rate of around 3 miles of range per hour, so a 10-hour charge can replenish about 30 miles of driving range. While this may prove to be a sufficient rate for some drivers' daily needs, this type of charging is often reserved for supplemental charging, or for use when visiting friends or family where some added range could prove helpful. For a more substantial charge rate, maximize the 2-in-1 cable's capability by having a certified electrician install a 240-volt outlet near where you park your ID4 at home. It's recommended that the outlet be installed on a dedicated circuit, with no other appliance running from it to avoid tripping the breaker. With the 240-volt adapter installed, plug into the outlet, uncoil the length of cable to prevent overheating, and plug the connector into your ID4 charge port. This solution can provide a charge rate of around 21 miles of range per hour for your 2024 ID4.